Okay guys, so this is that lovely copper and what it faded to. And today we're gonna do another red, but something more crazy. So stay tuned. So we decided to go for a different tone of red and a lot brighter because my client Jen's hair grows like weeds. I decided to touch up her root and to do a low light baby light so when we apply the final color, it will still be dimensional. You guys know by now that that is my style. So I am doing a half baby light and placing low lights whenever I feel I need one. For her low light, you guys see me mix up Joico Lumishine, my favorite demi liquids, 3VV, equal parts 1:1 with their dedicated 5-volume developer, and my Lightener formula I'm mixing now is my new favorite love of my life. I know I say this all the time, but it really is my favorite at the point in time, and I don't see me using anything else anytime soon. It's Joico Blonde Life with 20 volume and a 1/16 ounce of the liquid gold Olaplex. So I got a question in an email this past week asking my opinion on measuring lightener and color and how I feel about it because Guy Tang says it's a must. I want to first start off by saying every single hair colorist in the world is their own artist and we all have our own ways of doing things. When it comes to color, I absolutely believe it's important to measure. If you use more developer, the color will be lighter. Use too little, it will be vice versa. So I totally do believe you have to measure out your color and always follow the manufacturer's instructions and know the rules before you break them. You always hear me say that, but I can't stress that enough. Yes, you can break the rules as time goes on, but at least learn the rules first. For lightener, I have a different opinion. You all know I love trying out a few lighteners every year or so until I find one I become completely obsessed with. And when I first try a lightener out, I always try the two options the directions give you on the back, be it 1:1, 1:2, or 1:3. Once I try it out a couple of times on a few different hair types, I do go off of consistency. It's one of those dump and pour kind of things. I hope I helped, but always remember, do exactly what you feel comfortable doing. Do not try to do something because somebody else is doing it. If you feel to do one way, do it that way. So as you guys can see, I have started my half baby low and baby high. I am doing my typical very, very fine stitch and packing these foils in. We want a little dimension but nothing stripy, hence the reason I'm doing my normal baby light.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they
Also, I wanted to let you guys know I'm using Framar Shorter 5x7 pre-cut light embossed foils for the first time, and I am in love. Framar never disappoints, the options are endless, and they have something for every type of hair artist. Totally feel free to check them out at www.framarinternational.com and tell them that I, Brett Ryan, have sent you.
I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say, and now you know it. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say, and now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Hey guys, so look at this hair. Remember we did copper. She used to be my Elsa level 10 white. So this shouldn't be a problem putting the 4RV that I'm gonna do over it. But I did do 2 highlights to 1 low light because we want those pieces to pop. And you can see how her level 7 touch up goes really quick. And you can see how it kicked out a lot of that copper. That's why you use demis. This one's just done, so it's gonna take some time. But you can see the ends are coming right off, because it was a demi. So we're gonna let it process. I'm gonna start water bottling out all the highlights only from the back up, and then we'll wash out the low lights, which are 3VB, because it's gonna be a mess trying to wash that out. So stay tuned. Ooh, look at that mess. It's so beautiful of a color. This is 3VB oxidizing in the bowl. And this is my 20 volume with Joico Blonde Light and a 16th of Olaplex. I'm so obsessed, you guys, with the pretty little ombre brushes. I tried both of them today, but this is by far my favorite. The other one's not good for highlighting, but it would be better for like tease dropout. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be mixing 4RV as Cabernet as her main color. I'm going to add a little bit of 7RR Flame into that. We want it to be more of a red violet, but I just want a little punch. So we're gonna do ounce of the 4RV, 30 grams. And then we're gonna do just 10 grams of the 7RR. Instead of mixing that with processed solution, I'm gonna mix it with this 10 volume. It's good to use the brand that goes with Redken, but this is fine.
You're gonna wear warmer clothes? Actually, yes. I mean, satin.
10 volume will give it a little bit more staying power than the processed solution. So it's a little trick I always use, and this is my consistency. Now for the root, I'm gonna do what I use for the low light. I'm gonna use 3VB by Joico Lumishine, and I'm gonna do a ½ ounce of this. Well, 20 grams we're gonna do of this. Don't need that much. And then I'm going to use the dedicated 5 volume processing solution, 1-to-1, bring that up to 40. All right, let's just go apply this. So as I said before, a trick of mine when I want Shades EQ or Lumishine demi-liquids to have a little bit more staying power, I use 10 volume with it. It's still a demi, but it gets it in there a little bit more. I would prefer using a Redken developer 10 volume with it, but I use the ProCare developer, still a really good developer. It's a generic and it's really good. I like it and I love the consistency, but if I had the developer for Redken, I would have used that one. Just keeping it real with you guys, I was really hoping that the 3VV I used for the low light and root would take a little bit better than it did, despite the old copper color. However, it shows more in person than on camera, but it still came out gorgeous, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So keep watching, you don't want to miss it. Okay, so we were going to do a different red, and then I changed it, so we went a little darker. And it looks really scary, but it's going to be beautiful. We're so excited. So excited, so excited, so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this hair. We ended up going for more of a red violet instead of more of a RR, like a fire flame that Shades EQ has, the 7RR, I think it's called flame. We did the 4RV, the Caravet, whatever. Look at the shine and look at this color. We're gonna get some footage outside after I run my fingers through this beautiful hair. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Like blonde to this. And because I did those highlights and touched up her roots first, you can see the different tones. Some, it's hard to pick up on camera, but some of them pop a little lighter. So it gives her multi-dimensional for people wondering why I did the highlights. And also I did the highlights first because I was gonna plan on doing more of a fire. But then she decided she wanted less of that, more of like a RV like we did. Her money pieces, gorgeous. OMG, you guys, look at this hair. Can you believe it? From copper to red violet, warm to cool. Not the easiest to accomplish, but we did it. Let me know down below what you think as well as future video ideas. Also remember to like, share, and subscribe. New videos every single Tuesday at 4 p.m. sharp. Until next time, you guys, so long for now.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be